just cleared the first chamber. We're coming across the middle. Hey, happy Tuesday again. Let's see what I'm going to work on. Yesterday I got these valves all ground up and I got a little help cleaning them. And I got the seats all ground on the heads and I'm ready to surface them. Okay, I got it in the surfacer and it's level. Just slow it down a little bit and send her down the road. Okay, this head was pretty flat. That was 1.5 thou. Now I got the second head in here. And I made a witness mark, hit all the way across. So I always like to cut from here that way. So let me travel down there. All right, here we go. Gotta turn this down. This is the feed rate for the final pass. Here we go. Here we go, it's hitting all the way across. Alright, we just cleared the first chamber. We're coming across the middle. It's looking good. There we go, nice and flat. Let me get them in the wash. Okay, I got the heads cleaned, I got everything laid out, I got some new Viton valve seals, so I'm ready to assemble. Now for the seals and shims. Second head. I like cheese and James? Now for the intakes. Hey, don't ever set these down on the surface. Protect them. You can really scratch these aluminum heads, any head. Okay, now I need to vacuum test them to make sure those valves are sealing. This is made by Sue. And I'll let you know. If it pulls vacuum, it's sealing. If it doesn't, we got a problem. There we go. Those are good. Okay, second head. Good. Now for the exhaust, this pad is too big. They're interchangeable. A smaller one here. You just screw on. This has like foam on it. Good. Good. Okay, second head. Good. I said good before I even pulled the trigger. This one has the EGR port on. I got a plug. And it's good. And then make sure all the keepers are in and the springs are down in their locators. This head's good. And this one's good. Hey, these springs are directional. It's really hard to tell in these Subarus, but the coils are tight at the bottom. You can see the difference there. And one last look at this side. There you go. I'll give that customer a call. Hey, don't buy your head gaskets from Subaru unless you order the turbo head gasket, because the regular engine, they put a single layer sheet gasket on it, not a multi-layer. So make sure you get that multi-layer gasket for your Subarus. Thanks for coming along, you guys. Hey, I'm still trying to get my channel back. It's Bear Butler. YouTube's hard to get a hold of. I got an email to him, waiting for a response. So I guess we'll see you on the next one, you guys, and you be nice to each other. Bye.